Do you know that Affinity offers a cool little trick to create a group of arrayed shapes in Affinity? So to do that, first of all, select a shape and then go to canvas and click and drag to create a new shape. Click on the shift key to make the shape more constant and perfect. And then in order to create a duplicate to the right, all we can do is press on the right arrow key. I want just 2 shapes, so I'll stop here on the right. And if you want more shapes as rows, then we can click on the bottom arrow key. We can also remove these shapes according to columns and rows by clicking on the up arrow key and left arrow key. And if I'm satisfied with this group right here, then I can release the mouse and a group of shape is created like this. So I hope this video is helpful to you. And if you like this video, please click the like button. And for more tips and tricks on Affinity, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.